Hey guys, Lamonster here at Lamonster Garage, and we have a product that we've added a component to it. And this is our USB extension, and this is basically a block, a universal block. We have it machined to fit this perfectly. Actually, it goes in like so. You feed it all through and into the block. And then this can literally mount anywhere. It's made to mount to our Spyder cuffs, whether it's F3, RT, ST. You can mount it on anything though except the quarter 20 bolt hole. We had one guy that mounted it to his ram arm. He took the bolt out of the ram arm and put a longer one in and added this to it. So basically his USB charging was right there at his ram arm. Pretty clever, I might add. So anyway, we're going to show you what we've added to this. So if you buy this USB extension, it's made to plug into like your existing USB. We actually came out with this for the 2018. It allows you to tie into the USB that basically does all the connections for everything through your phone. So the BRP Connect, instead of plugging your phone into the existing USB, you can actually route it up to your handlebars and have it there in plain view, not in a hot box or whatever. So that's why we came out with this kit. But now we're having people buying the kit and they don't really have a USB connection like that to tie to, which is a problem. So what we got here, we have it's a USB converter, and basically it's 12 volts in and USB out. So the nice thing about this is you can take this, oh, we got a little visitor. You can take this and either wire it directly to your battery, which we give you a cable that you can feed down, or you can wire it to your auxiliary. And then it will come on, like on the F3, it will come on when the bike is running. It doesn't power up with the key. It's only when the bike is running. So I'm just going to give you a little idea of where this goes on the F3. On the RT, it's the same thing. 12 volts is 12 volts. Where you run it to, we gave you enough cable to basically put everything right here in this corner for either the RT or the F3. So you would basically run your leads to the positive and negative of your battery, run it up like so. Positive will go here, negative will go here, and I'll show you, just while we're at it, I'm going to show you how these little posi locks work. So when you get this, you'll have to, once you get the wire routed the way you like it, you unscrew this, and then you get your strippers. Where's my strippers? I don't know where my strippers are. Huh. Well, okay, I'll do, oh, there it is, right in front of me. They're not auto strippers, I'm spoiled. So basically you just strip the wire back, like so, maybe a little bit more. So this is about a little over 3/8 to ½ inch. And you're going to run that through the male section of the posi tap, and this is actually a posi fuse. And as you can see, it's got a little connector there. So basically you want to screw this in and make sure that your wire stays seated. So you're kind of putting a little pressure on it while you're doing it. Lock that in. Nice tight connection. Same thing for the ground. You would do on the ground, you would go ahead and strip it back. And this one's already hooked up for you, so pull this little cap off, put it on there like so, tighten this, put a little pressure on the wire as you're tightening it. Alright, so now once this is hooked up to the battery, you've got USB coming out here, You'll hook this cable to the USB. It's an extension cable. And then run this up to, well, wherever you want to run it. So that's one option. This is what you got to do on the RT. But on the F3 you have another option. I'm going to show you that. So you can literally just take these out. Well, you take this side out. You take this one out. Go ahead and put one on the positive end. And I'm going to show you where to tie that in at. The F3, they give you several locations to pick up power, which is pretty nice. You got a GPS location and a customer accessory. So we'll walk over here and I'll show you what you can do. So on this side, you'll have a taped wire, and it's usually taped to this bundle right here. And sometimes it's taped up here, sometimes it's taped down here. I think they're taping them down here more because they're so hard to get to. But you'll see a little sticker on it that says customer accessory circuit. Okay, and it'll be taped up all the way across these wires. I already peeled these off. So what you're going to have to do is you just cut these little wax connectors off of them, and then you're going to strip it back. The black is ground, so you'll strip it back, plug it in here, do the posi lock. Same for the positive. Now this is like a brown and a yellow, or purple and a yellow. I don't know. But anyway, that's your positive lead. You do the same thing here. So now you have this. You can basically zip tie it wherever you want once it's done. And you're going to run your USB for wherever you wind up putting it. Plug that in there. As you can see, we have this mounted on our F3 Spyder cuff. And we have a little short whip. This is a lightning whip. We have a USB, micro USB, and then we're going to bring in the C's also, and that'll plug right into your phone. So the way this works, once it's tied into this circuit, it is the bike running only. That's how it's fired up. So if you plug it in and you plug your phone in and say, hey, it's not working, well, fire off the bike first, then it'll work. Or just go directly to your batteries. So that's it, real simple install. If you have any questions, you can always call us here at Lamonster Garage. Phone number's on the website at lamonstergarage.com. And that's it. Hope you like it.